This is my NEA proof of concept video. I'm going to be demonstrating a character recognition neural network that can recognize the numbers 0 to 9. I've gathered this data set, the MNIST data set, shown here. These are just a random collection of 1,000 hand-drawn images. If we go to the code, I've developed it from the ground up, so starting with all the matrix modules required to run the network, shown here. I've then developed that into two different types of neural networks, starting with a single layer perceptron, which didn't work for character recognition efficiently enough, so I then developed that into a multi-layer perceptron with 2 layers, shown here. The backpropagation algorithm, everything developed from those matrix functions shown previously. This was then built into a character recognition form in VB forms, shown here with a few functions here to set current input values depending on what the current image is and pixel values. And shown below here is a module like that. This is the code for the VB form itself. Just outlining it there, and I will demonstrate. And I will demonstrate it now. So the system will generate a random number from all of those 10,000 characters shown before, completely randomly, and feed it forward through the network. When I click predict value, and it's predicted that to be a 4, I can continuously do this. This is operating at about a 90 to 95% success rate, which I'll show later. Keep going until we get one more, maybe. There you go. It can also be used to recognize, I can also demonstrate this in another way. If we go back to this collection of data set here, I can open up this in Paint, and I can draw an image, pick a number, go for 3, something like that. We save that and go back to the program. I can load that up and predict what that is, which is got right to be a 3. That's working at about a 60 to 70% success rate. It struggles with 2s and 8s, I think. I can now test the network if you want to see what it's working at. So what this will do is it will load up the network, which has already been trained, and test it with, well, here I've got 100. You can probably go 500 randomly selected images. I can show you that function actually. Test MLP network here, where you just input the number of tests and it will randomly select images from that library shown before. So if we test that, it should give us a percentage accuracy. There we are, 91.8%, which is reasonable. I found it will vary between about 90 and 95. We go again. there we are. I think that's it.